Anwar Pasha, Chairman of Princeton Public School. This institution I started in the year 2010. This is the desire of my father. My father, we are 8 brothers. At the time he told us to start the school, but we didn't listen to him. I did my LLB, so I went to city and I settled there and I practiced, but I was not satisfied with my profession. So again I returned back to my village and I started this institution. Really it is too good. What is my aim means, the maids who is working in the 4-5 houses, maid, their kids has to come for the CBSE. Our main intention is to uplift them. So that generation has to end with this. The next generation has to come up, see that the maids kids will be engineers, software engineers, doctors, lawyers, anything they have to become. That their poverty should be ended. This is our main intention. We want to give good quality of education for them. Even in our community, I don't want in my village, everywhere they have to be educated. Apart from this, one basic 10 years, in 10 years what I have done, here on Jyoti Nagara it is there. There it is a pure slum. So before, when my childhood was there, they were in a poverty line. Today, after this 10 years education, I am seeing that all the kids they are speaking in English. Because of it is, I am not saying because of me. This is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Who are we to do? That is His desire. So we have done it. And apart from me, one more institution is here. One Shushi Mandir. They are also helping more. One Anand sir is there. Whatever I request him, he is ready to help me. It is a Germany-based collaboration. They are having good team, so they are helping to reach all the posts. They are not seeing that community. Which community is there? There's totally there.
Hello everybody, very good afternoon. I am Aruna, Principal of Princeton Public School. We are very happy that this particular year, that is for 2022-23, we have got 100% result in 10th standard SLC board, Karnataka State Board examination, and the topmost student has secured with a 92%, then followed by 90 and 86%, and followed by 5 first class and 1 second class student. So overall we have received a very good result for this academic year. As well, we are very happy to announce that it is not me announcing, the Karnataka state government has announced that through Digi Techno Cognitive Symponism, among the top 50 schools, our school is one of the best schools in preschooling. So we are extremely happy to receive this award for this year as well. This year we got 100% result. Both are extremely happy, which the management and the staff members are extremely happy for this.
नाज़रीन, सदा ए हिंद उर्दू में आपका खैर मकदम है। मैं हूँ इम्तियाज़ुल्लाह खान काशफी। प्रिंस्टन पब्लिक स्कूल CBSE ज्योतिनगर मेडहली के पुरम में वाक़ है। पहली ता 10वीं जमात तक अपने निज़ाम तालीम के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है। इसके चेयरमैन अनवर पाशा स्कूल और बच्चों की आला तालीम को आगे ले जाने की तगदूब में मसरूफ़ न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करते हुए निसाब तालीम में इंग्लिश, कन्नड़ा, हिंदी के साथ साथ कंप्यूटर लैब, लाइब्रेरी जैसे बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल बनाने सहूलियात फराहम किए जा रहे हैं।
मेरी बेटी LKG से अब 3rd स्टैंडर्ड तक पढ़ लेते हैं। अच्छी स्टैंडर्ड अच्छी है स्कूल में। पूरे एरिया में CBSE स्कूल ये 600, तो वो CBSE लेवल का स्टैंडर्ड हम मेंटेन करें और एजुकेशन भी अच्छी है। और डिसिप्लिन भी अच्छा मेंटेन कर रही हैं और सेफ्टी, बच्चों की सेफ्टी सभी अच्छी है।
साल 2022 एसएसएलसी इम्तिहानात में स्कूल के 9 बच्चों ने आला नंबरात से बड़ी कामयाबी हासिल की है। इस साल 25 बच्चों ने एसएसएलसी में दाखिला लिया है। अनवर पाशा चेयरमैन स्कूल का कहना है कि अगले साल पीयू कॉलेज लाने की मुकम्मल कोशिश जारी है।
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Arshia from 10th standard. First, I would like to thank all my dear teachers to give me such a good opportunity to represent my school here today. I got the 491. My score was total 491. I got 79%. I thank all my teachers, principal ma'am, chairman sir, secretary ma'am, to bring me to such a position. Yes, it was little bit, I was scared and I had nervousness, but my teachers, principal ma'am, chairman sir gave me such a motivation that I could do well in my exam. I thank you all.
My name is Rakshita. I am studying in Princton Public School and I have scored in my 10th standard 441 as a 71%. And I thank all the teachers who have made me to come into this position and get the good marks. I thank all the teachers who have taught me everything from 4 years. And, I thank everybody from this. Thank you.
सभी को नमस्कार। मेरा नाम श्रवण शर्मा है। मैं 10वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ और मैं पिछले 6 साल से प्रिंसटन पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ रहा हूँ। और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ के हमारे सारे टीचर्स बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से हमको सिखाते और पढ़ाते हैं। वो एकदम अपने बच्चों की तरह हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं और उनकी वजह से हमको यकीन है कि हम आगे जाके बहुत ही सफल होंगे।
Now from Princton Public School. I'm very happy and proud to say that this year's our academic year 22-23 10th standard, that is state board result is out. It is of 100%. The management as well as staff members as well as my students as well as parents, everybody are extremely happy. Now I'll take the pleasure of introducing my chairman sir, Mr. Anwar Pasha.
2010ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಹ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿದ್ಯೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಆಟೋಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಕೂಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಲಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರಿಸಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಸೀದಿ ಇಮಾಮ್ ಸಾಬ್ ಮಗಳು ಬಿಹಾರಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿತು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಅಂಕ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ 125 ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಅಂಕ ಕೊಡೋರು 95% ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗು ಆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿನ 96% ತೆಗೆದು ಆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಮುಗಿದ್ರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು,